Marshmallows! I have new scars. I'm sorry.
Today we are going to use marshmallow. No?
Chubby Bunny.
What it's called.
Chubby Bunny challenge.
Don't tell my dad I got these marshmallows out of his closet.
Also, at some point, one of us is going to probably say something completely random instead of Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
So, you want to go first or should I? She's going first.
I'm just thinking of random things I can say. The fridge.
Chubby Bunny. I'm gonna probably beat you at this. I don't think you won that one. Chicken dumplings. Can we just say that I already won? I won. Julie, you're not gonna win this.
Both the marshmallows at once.
What?
No, I have them in my cheeks, so I push them out my cheeks and then just swallow them.
Let's see how much.
Just at once?
Yes.
Alright.
Well, we already know I can do two, so should we just do, like, start from three now? Chubby Bunny. Yeah, Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Apparently I can do 5. Where is the thingy?
This throw up thing?
Oh. She did it! You have that right, JC?
Nothing. We can blackmail her.
Yes.
No need for blackmailing.
Somebody! Oh wait, I just realized we were eating again.
We're eating again.
Put it in for like a minute. This is a hat.
I think we're going to go.
Don't you come attack us.
No, come here.
Don't attack
Come
me.
here. Do you want some? I am going to go. And remember, Packmates, oh yeah, Mish won this challenge.
You're going to do 2 or 3.
Oh,
You have a tiny mouth.
I have a tiny mouth.
I have a big mouth.
Yes, you do.
Big mouth and long tongue.
Don't do that.
It's too late.
I have a small tongue. I'm not sure. Remember, Packmates, be you, be true, and be free.
We're eating.
We're eating.